Njengoba ukhetho lukazwelonke lika-2024 selusemome, sanda nesibalo somasipala bezindawo abalawulwa amaqembu abusa ngokubambisana, i-ANC sazimisela ukunqoba ingaca okhethweni lwangonyaka ozayo.
We are not campaigning to go into coalition. We are campaigning for an outright victory. And our people are ready. Our various mass organizations are also ready to interact with us. Let us go out and engage with various sectors of society because they too want to see the ANC emerging victorious.
Ngokhetho lika-2019 i-ANC yanqoba amavoti angu-57% okwayinika izihlalo ezingama-230 esishayamthetho sikazwelonke. Kepha-ke ukhetho lika-2024 esibheke kulo luza ngesikhathi esibucayi kuleli ngenxa yokudingeka kwezixazululo zezingqinamba zomnotho nezenhlalo yabantu eziya ngokuqonga. Nakuba-ke i-ANC seyiqembu elibusayo kuzwelonke, kepha ikhombise ukuphundleka amandla ezingeni lomasipala ngenxa yokungena kohulumeni ababusa ngokubambisana emkhandlwini waseGoli, eTshwane naseKuruleni. Likhuluma kulo mhlangano wokucija amasu okungenela ukhetho, iphini lokuqala likanobhala jikelele we-ANC uNomvula Mkonyane lithi iqembu lizama ukusungula imigudu ezoqinisekisa ukuthi linqoba ngokugcwele okhethweni.
The bottom line is that we're preparing ourselves for a battle that we are ready to enter with an intention to win, because it is only the ANC that has got the ability to carry the aspirations of our people, albeit the challenges, and work together with them to find an everlasting solution.
Lo mhlangano we-ANC omayelana nezinhlelo zomkhankaso weqembu kubhekwe okhethweni likazwelonke uhlelelwe ukuphothulwa namhlanje.